America is like one big family reunion. Everyone brings their own dish to the table, and that's what makes our holiday tradition so unique. Let's take a whirlwind tour across the country and peek into the ways families like yours and mine celebrate the moments that matter most. First up, Thanksgiving. Picture this. Your house is filled with the aroma of roast turkey and pumpkin pie, relatives crowding around the kitchen, and everyone taking a minute to say what they're grateful for. Maybe you're watching the iconic Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade. Those giant balloons are a must-see. Or you've got the football game playing in the living room. If you're feeling energetic, you might even join a local turkey trot, working up an appetite before the feast. And for a lot of families, volunteering at a shelter has become just as important as the meal itself, a way to give back and share the holiday spirit. Now, fast forward to the 4th of July, America's birthday. This is the holiday that paints the sky red, white, and blue. From backyard barbecues and juicy watermelon slices to parades with brass bands and floats, there's a real sense of pride in every corner. As the sun sets, fireworks light up the night and families gather on blankets and lawn chairs. Whether you're in a big city or a small town, you can feel that electric excitement. Everyone's in it together. Then comes Christmas, a true season of joy. Whether you're hanging stockings by the chimney, stringing lights across your porch, or singing carols with neighbors, the spirit is infectious. For many, it's about faith and attending church services, while others dive into the fun of exchanging gifts, sipping hot cocoa, and maybe, just maybe, catching Santa in the act. Communities come alive with tree lightings, ice skating rinks, and markets selling everything from handmade ornaments to gingerbread cookies. And let's not forget Halloween, a night made for imagination and a little bit of mischief. Kids and adults alike dress up as anything they dream, superheroes, witches, or the latest movie character, and fill their bags with treats. You've got pumpkin carving contests, spooky haunted houses, and trunk-or-treats in parking lots where everyone's car becomes a mini haunted mansion. Even if you're not into scares, just seeing all the creativity on display is a treat in itself. Of course, there's so much more. From solemn Memorial Day ceremonies and lively Mardi Gras parades in New Orleans, to peaceful Easter egg hunts and festive Dia de los Muertos altars, every region and community adds its own flavor to the calendar. What ties it all together? It's the way these traditions help us connect with our families, our neighbors, and our shared history. Whether you're lighting sparklers on a beach, baking cookies with grandma, or volunteering with friends, these moments weave us into America's colorful tapestry, one celebration at a time.